So students, today's topic is distance and displacement. छोटा टॉपिक है and not a very large topic, but important है. So what is distance and what is displacement? First of all, distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is vector quantity. So this is a major difference between distance and displacement. नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि हमको ये दोनों पॉइंट एक से लगते हैं, दोनों डेफिनेशन सेम टाइप की लगती हैं. व्हाट इज डिस्टेंस? सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम बरेली टू रामपुर? सो इट इज अबाउट 70 किलोमीटर. एंड व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट? दिस इज अगेन हमको लगेगा यही कि दिस इज ऑल्सो 70 किलोमीटर. बट देर इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी क्रूशल डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सपोज देर आर 2 पॉइंट्स A, B, and one person or one object is moving from A to B like this. So the actual distance traveled, actual distance is distance, means if we are talking about the actual distance traveled by that particular person is called distance. And second thing, this is what? This is minimum distance between point A and B, between station A and B. This is what? This is minimum distance between A and B. This is what? This is displacement. So this is what? This is actual and this is minimum. Means suppose there are 2 rooms. So what? So 2 persons are there, person X and person Y. So what is the distance between these 2 persons? Hardly 1 or 2 meter. Hardly 1 or 2 meter. What when X is going to meet Y, so he has to follow this path. So this path traveled by X person, this is what? This is distance traveled between, distance traveled by the X person. So this is what? This is distance traveled. But this is what? This is actual distance between these 2 persons. So same thing is here. Station A, station B. Suppose this is Bareilly, this is Rampur, and person is going like this. This is 70 kilometer. And some person is moving directly from A to B, like by flight or by some other means. Anyhow. So this is actual distance A and B. So this is what? This is displacement. So when we are talking about displacement, that means this is directed. This is the smallest path. So this is in the particular direction. This is direction in this way. But when we are talking about distance, there is no direction. First you move like this, then this, then this, then this. So there is no direction. So when there is no direction, this is what? This is just this displacement, and this is what? This is, this is distance, and this is what? This is displacement. So when direction is there, this is displacement. When there is no direction, this is distance. So displacement is a vector quantity, distance is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of both quantity are same, that is meter. So SI units are same, but the direction, the major difference is direction. So this is what? This is scalar and this is vector.